Hello everyone, let's continue learning. Welcome to next tutorial. This tutorial is on polygons. If you see here, below rectangle tool, we have polygons. Below this rectangle, if you see here, we have polygons in this. To get that polygon, click here. Okay. If you see here in the comment box, what it is telling, polygon enter number of sides. First input of any polygon will be its number of sides. So I will type, for example, here 3. We will start with 3. 3, enter. 3, enter. If you see here, after entering 3, it is telling us to specify center of the polygon. Specify center of the polygon, it is asking. So I will specify center of the polygon here. Next, it is asking whether you want inscribed circle or circumscribed circle. Either you can select from here or you can type I or C. I enter for inscribed, C enter for circumscribed. What's the difference? I will show you. First, I will take inscribed, and if you see what it is telling me, specify radius of the circle. So I will type 25 for your reference. Enter. Next, the same polygon I will take by typing enter. It activates the previously used command. Again, I will type enter because I want the previously used number of sides. And again, for the center, if you see, I can take anywhere here the same center. This time I will take circumscribe and the same 25 I will give as input now. If you see, compared to this one is bigger. The previous one is bigger because of, previous one is smaller because it is inscribed, and the second one is circumscribed. You got the difference. Circumscribed means you put by circle with the radius, center and radius of that. So it will touch all the 3 sides with that. For example, I will show you again with 4 sides. Take polygon or type POL. POL. So polygon activated. Again I will take number of sides 4, enter. I will click here inscribe. So I will type 50, enter. Again I will type the same thing, again enter. I will take here circumscribe, again 50, enter. Now if you take a circle with center and radius, if you see this time the center is not showing here because geometric center is off here. I will turn on this now. In the post snap settings, geometric center was off, that's why the center was not showing. Now if you see, the center will show here. From this I will type 50. This 50 is touching all 4 sides outside this rectangle polygon because the polygon we draw is inscribed the circle. But here the same thing, if you take here from this, if I type 50, enter, the polygon is circumferencing this circle, means it is touching the circumference outer side. So this is the difference of inscribed and circumscribed. I hope you are understanding this. Not only for this, but any polygon we can draw using the same method. For example, I will take 5 sides now and you enter, and the same center I will take, and if I go with inscribe, again it will be smaller. So I will go with circumscribe and if you see what it is doing, the polygon is circumscribing the circle. So I will delete this for your reference here. The same polygon, if I take, you enter with this, okay, inscribe, and if I go here to the circle, what was that circle? 50. So I will do 50. If you see here, again I will delete this for your reference. See here. So this is how we can draw. And if you observe here, while selecting this, I can't select this rectangle only. I can select this by this method, or what I did previously, I just moved my cursor like this. What the difference? The difference is, if you see here, this we have 4 lines and this we have full line. So we will take the example of this only. If you want to delete only this line, then you can select like this and delete. But if you want to delete the entire rectangle, you can select like this and delete. Or if you want to delete only that line, you can select like this. Even though the window was crossing these 2 lines, it was not selecting this. But if you select like this, so it is selecting both of these. When we come from right to left, we will get a green window. We call this as crossing window. This crossing window, whichever crosses any elements, it will be selected. It will not be same for this cover window. Only those lines which cover inside this will be selected. If you see, only these lines selected, only these lines selected, only these. So this is what I did. In this case, I don't want to waste time by selecting like this. So what I did, I just simply moved this and it is selected. Because this is a polyline. Suppose it was an element like this, so I could select like this. And delete. So this is how we can draw inscribed, circumscribed polygons for any number of sides. One last, I will take 10, enter, and again I will take this as the center, circumscribe, and I will type 50, enter. Okay, this time I will delete this polyline also, if you see here now. So we draw 10 sided polygon now. So this is how you can draw any polygons. So this is for polygons. We will see in the next tutorial. Stay tuned and keep practicing. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box so that I can clear your doubts immediately before going to the next session. Thank you.